Hloso is trying to steal Madlomo's pills from the house, but is failing because Umtunzi is tailing him. Ngapha Madlomo is putting pressure on him, saying she needs them. Hloso is super stressed. Ngapha Oyana and Umtunzi, they are fighting for Indlu Yomqasho. The kids are starting to doubt Umtunzi. He has to fight for his innocence. Ngapha Unhloso forgot to fetch Khanyi from school. Udinhle is livid. Mdala is also not happy about Nhloso because he just disappeared, not answering calls without saying anything. Teddy adds to the lies instead of correcting them. Ngapha Talita is over for her. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. The kids now start questioning Umtunzi because of what the detective said, saying Guti they suspect Ukuba they have to question everyone that's close to them. Tutu was asking Guti, is there anything you're not telling us about your argument? No ma. Umtunzi Shem tried to explain to them Guti Ngamthanda Philisiwe had never hurt her, and anyone that would come for her ngizomlimaza, I would kill them for myself. Manje what the argument we had, so I sort her out, and it's talking the truth. Shemati manje, all I want is to have Uphilisiwe back and the baby. Manje Tutu was starting to think, what if it's people that are after you, that are the ones that you took uma? Hloso comes again, disturbs the conversation. I hope you see that dad saying, Usiyabonga utuzile baba. Whereas Nhloso unesibindi busy supporting the kids while he's the one that is causing them pain. Mthunzi reminds him how when after fighting me eTembeni, I thought ukuthi ngitshelile ukuthi ungasezi la. He lies saying that he came to give them an update abantu bakaDlomo and says that naye they must tell him if anything comes up. Kanti ubhizi uyayicalaza manje ekhishini. Kanti Unhloso is trying to look for uMadlomo's pills because uMadlomo uthe uyawadinga. Mthunzi notices ukuthi hawu kanti yini oyifunayo wena, what is it that you want? Because ngikutshelile ukuthi if you want something you must call to go directly. Athi umuzi wami lo, this is my house. Kanjani? Because this is a rented house. Now that you are gone, uMadlomo is renting it, so akusiyona eyakho anymore. And then Udinhle akasaqasukanga because Unhloso was supposed to fetch Khanyi from school, and he did not answer Dinhle's call. Now Udinhle is like, as I don't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. I don't even know Nolikayi, Kaufonela or Arabi. Why don't you just let the police do their job and look for Madlomo? And then they'll find this monster. Every time they say monster, they drive so crazy. As I'm tired of hearing that thing. Because this thing bothers him because he's the monster. He snapped at Dinhle and left. Goes to see Madlomo. Madlomo mamuzwa evulumnyango. She just acted as if she's super sick and told him that she needs her pills. I think I'm feeling my pain. Unhloso now is stressed. Now uMathubela goes to talk to Mthunzi saying, have you tried checking Emoshar? We need to check everywhere. I know it's hard, but we need to check everywhere. Mthunzi says, please Mathubela man, you cannot hurt me like that. I cannot go Emoshari. And kwazi ukuphulukana nomunye umuntu endimthandayo. Remember Mthunzi lost his mother recently, so he cannot lose noPhilisiwe. And then uGasa comes. Sebabhizi balo baphikisana. I told you not to come to this house ever again. Why ulana? Unhloso athi umuzi wami lo kaGasa la. Kanjani emqashweni when you've left now, so uMrs Nyathi uhlala noDinhle? Mathubela call them to order. Bana baba litlhoka wethu balina, both of you, so you better behave. And then uMathubela, I think they asked for something eMadlomo so they can pray for her. The church people came. They're praying for them. Hloso sees an opportunity to go to the kitchen to try and get the maphilisi kaMadlomo. Mafika kitchen, Mthunzi is onto him again, saying, what are you doing? He lies, saying, hey, mangidinga amanzi, should I tell you? Should I be asking for water from you now? Angasaswethu Nhloso. Because he thought while everyone is distracted ngesonto, uzothatha amaphilisi ahambe. Kanjani because they'll see the pills are missing. And then Usamide is just uvele vumbuka naye because Nhloso told the police that Mthunzi once kidnapped him. So they want to know why ungareportanga a case. Manje uGasa is like, yes, Nhloso is like, is very impulsive these days. So impulsive that he even kidnapped his own ex-wife. Manje Mdala is looking for Nhloso because Nhloso is nowhere to be found and he's the center manager and he's hardly at work. Now he wants to know, I need Nhloso, guy. Ugasa tried to explain what Madlomo is missing. Why didn't he report? He was supposed to tell me or Bridget, or else answer his phone here, but he's nowhere to be found. He just vanished. Manje ukoma thateli ko. Now what the issue? Tudi wanted or was thinking of telling Divet, and then decided to ask him why I'm proposing. Divet was like, I love you, but also the thought of you leaving or leaving me like made me realize with you life is too short. Till he realizes, yo, if it wasn't for the dying thingy, Utivet would not have proposed or forgiven her so quickly. So she continues with her lie, and then Divet now wants to know, because when her results coming out, she lies saying the government's hospital. Now she's thinking, telling Kiriwen is pushing, you need to tell Divet the truth. She decides, no man, I need to think of something that's not going to put me in a wheelchair. So kitlarik brain tumor. Njani mara going on with the lie like this. And then Taps goes to see Muderwa High. Muderu nyaka lawyer sharp, like people like Nina Bishop, the one that was presenting Utiro. Are you cannot afford her because Talita realized this lawyer that Chapele got for her is a cheap, is like still fresh. Go moon, so man, you can't afford her. Now, Talita is trying to blackmail him, saying, "Go, I'm getting Victor arrested, that guy, because I destroyed all the evidence. You have nothing on him. So, Anna, you better behave or else get look lawyer inexperienced." Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.